This is a super special one. We have a Cleef unboxing. This is my 6-year sobriety gift to myself. So let's unbox. You guys have been following me, you know about it. I'll talk about it in a sec, okay? In a sec, not sex. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're doing a Cleef unboxing for 6 years of sobriety. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. I'll wait. Subscribe. And keep on watching. Okay, so every year, oops, I'm missing one. I'm actually missing two. We're gonna put them on real quick. So every year I get myself a expensive piece of jewelry. I take this off every day only because I don't have to, but it's rose gold and the color is gonna fade. It's already started fading and you'll see the difference in a sec. This is my 1 year, my 2 year, my 3 year. 4 years actually this necklace, which I also take on and off every day because of the stone. 5 years is this one, 5 motif. And I'm sure you can guess what the 6 motif is, but act surprised anyway. So this is my 4 year. Normally I would wear it inside, but we're gonna wear it outside today for this special unboxing. We got 2 bags. They're so kind. Cleef really takes really good care of their clients. I will say it is a luxury experience. You come in, you get offered juice, coffee, all the things. They have a bar, they have macaroons where you wait, they take you to the table. It's very elegant, very quiet. They love you no matter what. Like, they're so kind and attentive no matter how much you spend. You know, a little thing or a high jewelry thing, I'm sure, I never bought high jewelry, but I'm sure they treat them in another level. But like, I've seen people buy high jewelry, get like food and all those other things in the private rooms. Even if you're buying a little thing, a small, like one of their lower price point or one of their entry level things, they still treat you the same way. They, you know, gloves, like nice thing, like pick it out, talk to you, let you take your time, appreciate you, any help you need, any follow-ups, any sizing. And I like that about that. And it seems less, even though it's more popular now, and it's more common, I guess, they don't have as much inventory as say Cartier, where Cartier kind of mass produces a little bit more. And when you go into Cartier, there's a lot of people and a lot going on, a lot of buying. Whereas at Cleef, it seems like it's a little more tailored. You have to have an appointment to go in. You can't just walk in. And I mean, you can walk in, but I don't think that anyone will see you. I've always gone in with an appointment. It's just a little more of a luxury experience, which I do like. And so anyway, we're gonna unbox. They also just gave me 100 chocolates because they're so good. And this time it was the manager who saw me because our SA was out of town. She was in Paris. So the manager sat with me for an hour and a half, was so friendly, was so kind, talked to me. They understood how important this was to me and were so grateful and respectful and tried really hard to get this for me. I pre-ordered it a couple of months ago and I wanted to get it by January 1st. And it hadn't come in by January 1st, but then they rushed to get it in as soon as they could. And they got it in literally like a week later. And I wasn't able to pick it up for another week or two because I was in Paris. They got it from me right away. They knew how important special it was. They made it feel so special. Like, it was just really, really great. Because like and I like that about this, and I like that about jewelry in general, of having some meaning behind it, right? So let's unbox. Now that I've chit-chatted your ear off. Okay, so it comes with all the normal things. You got your receipts here in this little lovely envelope. You got your certificate of authenticity right here, right? That literally tells you serial number, blah, 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 and the date you bought it. And then you have a little booklet with like care and advice on how to care for it. I should have asked for a little cleaning kit, but I didn't, but I'll ask for it next time. And then they were so kind as to give me a box because they don't really give boxes anymore. Maybe they do again, I don't know, I'm not really sure. But they boxed it up all pretty for me. So let's unbox it. Full disclosure, I already unboxed it and took it off. They just wrapped up the box, so there's nothing in here. I put it in another one of my boxes so I can take it off. So I'm sure you know, I got 5 years, so obviously I wanted to get 6 for 6 years. And 6 motif, they only have 2 bracelets, I believe. 5 motif comes in a lot of different colors, a lot of different styles, a lot of different metals, and a lot of different stone colors. But the 6 motif, I think, only comes in 2. Rose gold and white gold with diamonds, I want to say. So obviously, you know me, I got the 6 motif rose gold. They're sweet, and they're sweet, so they're a little smaller, which is nice because they can kind of like, it's a little shorter in length than the standard size. The standard size is a little shorter. I think it's 17 centimeters and this is like 18 or 19. So actually I'm gonna have to take it back for sizing, but I wanted to just wear it for a little bit because it is a little tight on my, you know, man hands. But I've gotten pretty good about this part. Of course now on camera I'm not gonna be good at it. Please hold, talk amongst yourself. Seriously, please hold, talk amongst yourself. This is what I'm talking about. It's too tight and it can only fit over one specific part of my wrist. Okay, all right, so I'll bring it up. So you can also see the difference in the color. The new one is way more pink than the old one. I don't know if the light shows it that well, but it is way more pink. But I also like this now because I can kind of like, it kind of layers stacks and it gives it like that, almost like a 10 motif bracelet look, but like big, small. Like some of their other like not high jewelry, some of their other pieces that have different size motifs. and obviously just 6 for 6, right? And I'm really excited. 6 years of sobriety. Like I said, I get one for every year to commemorate it, to remember it, to remind myself, an expensive reminder and an expensive reward every year to just celebrate. And this is actually, out of all of them, was the most affordable, my 6-year one, which is great. I think I don't want to get too much expensive jewelry on my hand over a long period of time. I might start doing like other things, like lesser expensive things, or maybe start marking just like 10, 15, 20. Going forward, I don't know if I'm gonna do 7, because I already have 5 bracelets, a 6, 7, 8. I feel like otherwise I should get a 4 or 2 because it feels a little off. Or maybe I could start on this side, but I already have these on this side. I don't know. Anyway, I don't wanna have so much on me, right? Because I wanna wear these every day. And that's why I have to go with gold for everyday pieces. This doesn't actually is every day. It's only easy because I can slide it on and off. But I could also consider this my 4-year or this my 4-year because I can take those, I can leave those on too. Chat wants to package. Okay, anyway, that's my little unboxing for you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support. Thank you for always being with me here. Thank you for your love. I'm grateful for all of you guys that have been with me from the beginning and all the new people. Hello, welcome. And yeah, that's my little unboxing for today. Thank you. I'm so happy. I feel very grateful and very lucky and blessed that I'm able to afford these things and buy these things and use these things. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Subscribe. And smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me.